From there, a senior citizen will be left on his or her own to pay for any medical need such as consultation, laboratory and diagnostic procedures, or worse, confinement. So what options then are available? Hello mga RFF, this is Sean Contreras from Number Financials. First of all, I'm really overwhelmed with the number of inquiries that we got from the several videos na ginawa namin ni Jason tungkol sa mga HMO and medical insurances. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at labis kami natutuwa kapag kayo ay nakakausap namin at natutulungan sa pagbibigay ng tamang impormasyon at produkto base sa inyong pangangailangan. Madami sa inyo ang nakausap na namin at nalaman ang inyong mga istorya. We then try to do our best to really understand your situation and objectives in getting a health coverage for you and your family. And I've noticed that many of you are interested if there is a health plan applicable to senior citizens or for those ages 60 years old and above. At karamihan sa mga nagtanong ng ganito ay galing sa mga anak na gusto makapagbalik ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa kanilang mga magulang. Meron din namang mga nagtanong na malapit na sa kanilang mga senior years at gustong makapaghanda para sa kanilang retirement. Para sa inyo po itong video na ito, and we would like to help you find the right plans for your healthcare needs. We understand that it can be hard to find a plan for senior citizens, and I hope that this video can give you some answers. To be honest, it is unfortunate that there is no comprehensive HMO plan available for senior citizens. HMO companies usually only provides membership plans up to age 60 and renewals up to age 65. From there, a senior citizen will be left on his or her own to pay for any medical need such as consultation, laboratory and diagnostic procedures, or worse, confinement. So what options then are available? Fortunately, there are medical insurance plans and prepaid HMO cards that are designed with the senior citizens in mind. Products I personally recommend would be the Premier Plan of Pacific Cross and Prima Gold of MaxiCare. To get a general understanding of medical insurances and prepaid cards, feel free to check out some of our previous videos. We understand that being a senior citizen can be a bit tricky, especially when it comes to finances. At this age, it can be difficult to pay for healthcare services. This is why a good option is to avail of a health plan that is affordable but provides good health benefits. We recommend to get the Premier Plan of Pacific Cross and bundle it together with the Prima Gold product of MaxiCare. This is because the benefits of the two products complements each other para makapagbigay ng comprehensive set of health benefits or coverage for senior citizens. Pero kung hindi pa kaya ng budget mo for now to get both of the products, pwede naman i-prioritize kung ano ang mas kailangan at pasok sa budget. So without further ado, i-discuss na natin ang mga produkto na ito. Una sa i-discuss ko ay ang premier product or plan ni Pacific Cross. This is a medical insurance plan that is specifically designed for senior citizens. Pwede ito for those over 65 years of age and it can be renewed until age 100. Admittedly, medyo may kamahalan ang mga plans na ito with the lowest plan starting at around 31,000 pesos. Pero ang maganda naman dito is that the medical coverage you get is significantly higher than what you are paying for. So ang pinakamababang plan natin would be at 500,000 pesos, and the highest medical coverage that you can get for this plan would be at 1.5 million pesos. You will then get a comprehensive range of inpatient and emergency benefits, including yung gastos mo sa ospital, yung room and board accommodation mo, ICU, surgical expenses, at madami pang iba. Para makita mo ang kumpletong schedule of inpatient and emergency benefits, leave your email address in the comment box below or simply get in touch with us so we can discuss this product further. Ang maganda pa sa plan na ito is that you have your own choice of doctors, hospitals, and specialists since the mode of availment is through reimbursement. Unlike HMO plans that requires you to avail medical treatments with their accredited hospitals and doctors, you can choose the best medical care with the medical insurance plan of Pacific Cross. This is important, especially if you have a family doctor. Although for the reimbursement, there is a 10% co-payment arrangement where only 90% will be reimbursed by Pacific Cross. But still, having a plan where you are assured that 90% of the total expenses will be covered is important, considering the high cost of medical treatments during your golden years. It is also important to take note that pre-existing conditions are excluded in your coverage unless they are declared and approved by Pacific Cross. Pre-existing conditions ay yung mga sakit na meron ka na prior to getting the medical insurance plan. Madami akong nakausap na nagsasabi na parang hindi naman pala okay ang kumuha ng medical insurance plan kung hindi rin pala nito mako-cover ang mga pre-existing conditions. Well, yes, I understand that majority of senior citizens today would have some medical history or complications already. But I personally believe that getting a medical insurance is still reasonable. Bakit? Simply because senior citizens are generally more prone to be affected by viral, bacterial, and airborne illnesses. So kahit hindi covered ang mga pre-existing conditions, it still pays to be prepared for other medical conditions or even physical accidents. Also, ang maganda naman kay Pacific Cross is that your pre-existing condition can be partially covered upon renewal subject to additional premium based on its renewal assessment and review. In conclusion, the Premier Plan of Pacific Cross is designed to help senior citizens better deal with life's physical and financial uncertainties. Now, another plan that senior citizens can consider would be the Prima Gold prepaid HMO product of MaxiCare. Prima Gold offers senior citizens with unlimited outpatient consultations and even availment of laboratory and diagnostic procedures within MaxiCare's network of primary care centers and MyHealth clinics. The price of Prima Gold is a one-time payment of 12,999 pesos, which is then valid for 1 year upon registration. Pwede ito for senior citizens age 60 years old and above. Getting this card provides the senior citizens with unlimited consultations, outpatient laboratory, dental coverage, and even a 20,000 pesos annual emergency room coverage. Once registered, the members would then get exclusive access to the following MaxiCare-owned facilities. So meron tayo sa BGC, Bridgetown IT Park, Clark, Pampanga, Cebu Business Park Ayala, Ayala North Exchange, Centris Quezon Avenue, Northgate Alabang, Abriza Mall Davao, and soon to open in Iloilo and Double Dragon Plaza. Meron din access ang mga members sa mga primary care clinics inside hospitals such as Cardinal Santos Medical Center, Centurion Medical Makati, Chinese General Hospital, Makati Medical Center, St. Luke's sa Quezon City, and St. Luke's sa BGC, and also the Medical City. In summary, MaxiCare Prima Gold provides unlimited lab tests, diagnostics, and consultations for senior citizens with the age of 60 and above. And also, as mentioned earlier, it can complement the inpatient and emergency benefits provided by Premier of Pacific Cross para makapagbigay ng comprehensive at kumpleto na medical benefit para sa mga senior citizen. Kung hindi papasok sa budget nyo ang pagkuha ng dalawang produkto na ito, pwede nyo naman unahin ang tingin nyong mas kailangan. I do hope you can get in touch with us after watching this video para mabigyan pa namin kayo ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga produktong ito. Kung nagustuhan nyo naman ang video na ito, please show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Maraming salamat po and see you on our next video.